Medisoft file maintenance. We are going to run this utility. Now this utility is available per Medisoft practice database. It allows the end user to clean up the database, improve performance, and check for few common database related issues and problems. Now the process is pretty automated and it requires appropriate user security and a few mouse clicks to start the process. Normally it is recommended to run the process once a month. It basically depends on the level of Medisoft usage. Now the nicest portion of the file maintenance program is it can be run as often as needed. It won't hurt any part of the database, but will only help. So let's start with running the utility. Now before running the utility, what we need to remember is everyone else must be out of the practice before beginning this process. No user should be logged in. Okay, to begin with, let's click on File. Under the drop down we have the tab called File Maintenance. Alright, once you click that, the file maintenance window should pop up. Alright, here we have 4 portions: rebuild indexes, pack data, recalculate balances, and purge data. Alright, now let's start with rebuild indexes. This option sorts and tweaks the index files for each of the tables, allowing for quick sorting, searching, and overall data accessibility. Check the all files at the bottom and it would select all the tabs over here. Alright, now the second part of the maintenance is pack data. Okay, now what this option does is it goes through the tables and permanently removes any items that have been marked for deletion. When items are removed from Medisoft, they are not immediately removed, they are just marked for deletion. The items will actually be removed from the database until pack data has been performed. Now what you need to do is click on all files over here. Alright, now the third tab that we need to do is recalculate balances. Now what this option does is this option goes through the charges and payments throughout the patient accounts and recalculates them to verify the correct information is being displayed for the various balances, due, and totals. The option can take a very long time. Normally it should be done in 10 to 15 minutes, but it has been reported that at times it could take maybe 45 minutes to an hour depending on the practice. The length of time usually depends on how long it has been since the last time we ran file maintenance on the practice. If the operation has never been run on the practice, it is normally recommended to start at the end of the day, just in case if it takes a lot of time. So now check all the 3 recalculate options on the tab. Okay, perfect. Now moving on, this option is normally recommended against. There is no reason for an end user to purge data while running file maintenance, and it is highly recommended against using this operation because of possible unforeseen consequences. If you would like to have old data removed from the practice or shrink the size of the database, it would be recommended to contact your first choice IT to determine what would be the best in this particular database. Alright, now what we do is after we select all the boxes, we click on Start. Okay. Alright, now we click on Start. You will get a message. All of the checked file process will be performed. Do you want to continue? Click on OK. Now when you click on OK, the file maintenance will run, displaying several various progress bars as it continues to work on the selected options. If the window states like it's not responding, it means the file maintenance Windows is working very hard on the current operation. it is recommended to wait at least an hour or more, considering the file maintenance actually logged up as an applications. Now in this case, the file maintenance did not require much time because this is a test database. So now we click on OK and we are done.